So I was done filming and then I remembered I forgot one of the biggest and most expensive upgrades mods I did on the Tesla, and it's the T-Sport line lift kit. It's a 1.85 inch lift kit. You can tell it sits taller, and if you're interested in that, look up my video about it check it out on the T-Sport line website. All right, let's go back in the video. Hi guys, how's it going? And today I want to show you all the modifications I've done on my Tesla. This is a 22 Model Y. It's the long range model. Sorry, I had to brain fart there. Long range model, and I mean, beautiful St. George, Utah here, and it was such a wonderful day, but now all of a sudden the wind kicks in, so probably not the best idea to do a video now, but I'll still try. Okay, the first obvious thing you see that I changed is those wheels. And those wheels here are from T-Sport line. They're 19-inch wheels, and I'll put the 255 45 19-inch tires on them. So I have a video about the tires. They are the E-Range tires from Salem, and they are a cheap tire from China, but they came with the wheels, and so far they have been holding up pretty well. This is the second season that I have them on. So those are my wheels, and I really like those. I think they didn't cost too much. They were very fairly priced, came with the tires, and T-Sport line was a very good brand to buy from. Very reliable shipping service as well. So the wind's really kicking in here. Second thing I modified is put real carbon fiber caps on the mirrors, and they are real carbon fiber. I'll show you both of them, and they are from Tparts. And Tparts, I have the link in my video description, so you can look up the brand and see what they sell. And if you want to buy these, I have a referral link and also a coupon, so you get 10% off your purchase if you're interested in that. So that's number two, and we don't have to count. But here, the spoiler, also real carbon fiber spoiler, also from Tparts, and I think it gives the car a good look, and it's an almost exact copy of the performance spoiler from Tesla. So looks really good on the vehicle. What do you think? I think it looks good. So we got that, and I took the Tesla license plate frame off and put these fake carbon fiber one on. I mean, it says it's real carbon fiber. I think it's fake. It's off Amazon, and I do think it's non-real carbon fiber. Let's stay here behind the car. This last fit rubber mat here, it's a durable rubber. That's aftermarket. I bought that, as well as these parts here. And I should say that different. Last fit actually sent it to me so I can try it out. And I think I have a referral link and a coupon for these as well. And Last Fit sells these all-weather rubber mats, and they also sell mats for the whole vehicle, which I don't have, but the quality of these is very good. So I think they're a pretty good quality product. I have my windows tinted all around. See, they're so black you can't even see through. See that? As well as the side ones at the front, and of course the windshield is not tinted. That is illegal. And also the side windows at the front, yeah, tinted less than the rear ones, because that would be not legal to do all the way dark. Now, a little small piece is this here. That is definitely fake carbon fiber, and it shows, you know. I just added them to make the car look a little nicer, because I thought it would be a nice touch. So feels better in here. 83 degrees outside, but you can still feel the sun pretty well. I put this sunshade in, and it comes in 2 parts, for the rear and for the front, but I only put the front part in because the kids like to watch out of the roof. So that is another aftermarket product. Then we got this carbon fiber interior dash here, dash interior console here, and that is real carbon fiber again. I added a little tray in here. Looks like it's OEM, so that's why I really like that little tray. So that's mostly it. But then of course this air refreshener here, and I got that from Daily Lab, and I have a link to it in the description of the video if you're interested in one. I hate air refresheners like that. I think they stink. It smells terrible, but this one here is a very slight smell, and I actually enjoy it. I think it's good. My dash cam here is a Garmin, and I've had that for many years, and I usually have it in my other cars, but since I'm on a trip I put it on, because you never know what happens on the road. If there's a crazy driver, it's good to have it. So that's that. But one more thing, the all-weather mats that I have here, they are from Tesla. So I put Tesla all-weather mats in the car just because it keeps it clean during the winter time. This summer I'll probably put the other ones back in. All right, there you have it. That's it. Those were all the modifications of my 22 Model Y. Will there be more to follow? Yes, probably so. So hang in there and keep following my channel. If you haven't done yet, please like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day.